What's up, guys? If you're rolling a Toyota Tacoma and running bigger tires, you've probably dealt with tire rub, tight caliper clearance, or a stance that just looks too narrow for the build. Wheel spacers are the quickest fix. Push those wheels out, get more clearance, and dial in that aggressive off-road look. Links to everything are down in the video description. Let's get into it. Starting at number 3, Richeer comes in with a 2-inch spacer. And they also offer 1 inch, 1 1/4 inch, and 1 1/2 inch if you want less push. What stands out here is the grade 12.9 studs, hitting 1,000 megapascals of tensile strength, stronger than the 10.9 hardware most brands use. Forged 6061T 6-billet aluminum, CNC machined, anodized coating for corrosion resistance. Recommended torque is 70 to 80 foot-pounds. Set of 4, solid value from a manufacturer founded in 2007. At number 2, Spidertrax delivers their iconic blue spacers, available in 1 1/4, 1 1/2, and 1 3/4 inch. Every component is made in the USA, aluminum sourced directly from the mill, and the 4140 chromoly wheel studs are coated with Geomet for 10 times the corrosion resistance over standard zinc. Lug nuts are cold-headed and hold runout to less than 2% of thread diameter. That's the kind of precision that keeps your wheels locked exactly where they belong at any speed. And taking the top spot, KSP's 2-inch spacers, also available in 1 1/4 and 1 1/2 inch. These lug-centric spacers push your wheels 2 inches outward, opening up room for wider rubber and fixing brake caliper clearance issues in one shot. Built from forged 6061T 6-billet aluminum with heat-treated grade 10.9 Geomet bolts and a black anodized finish. Kit includes 4 spacers, 24 open-ended lug nuts, and thread locker. Backed by a 30-day refund and 12-month free replacement. Hard to beat this package. And that wraps up the 3 best wheel spacers for your Tacoma. Whether you need 1 1/4 inch of subtle push or a full 2 inches for serious rubber, every option on this list has you covered. All the links are sitting right there in the video description. Go grab the best deal. If this helped you out, smash that subscribe button. More Tacoma content coming every week. Catch you in the next one.